Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Kolkata Guglu Man. This is the second part of the chicken tandoori pizza recipe. But first of all, I would like to thank all of you for helping me complete my first milestone, that is 50 subscribers. Keep supporting like this in future. Today we will be making the pizza base and assemble it with all its tasty delicious toppings. Now coming to the ingredients needed, we will need chicken tandoori as shown in the previous recipe, flour, egg, sugar, dry active yeast, sliced onion, tomato, green bell pepper, fine chopped garlic and green chili, pizza sauce mix for the base, cheese, refined soybean oil, and pizza masala mix. We will start by preparing a sugar solution. Pour some water in a pan and add sugar to it. And then add the dry active yeast. Now stir everything well and let it rest in a warm place until it is needed. Meanwhile, take flour in a mixing bowl and add a bit of salt to it. And dry mix it well to break all the lumps. Now add the yeast water to the bowl and start mixing everything well. Add some flour to it if it becomes too runny. Now crack an egg into the mix and whisk it well into the dough. Again, if it's too runny, you can add some flour and mix. Repeat this process until the dough becomes manageable and it can be kneaded with hand. Knead it with hand for some time and keep adding some oil to it. After that, you can cover and let the dough rest for about an hour. Now we will prepare the sauce mix. Take some tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, some red chili sauce, and a touch of kasundi and mix everything well. All the proportions really depend on you, so you can add or alter any other ingredients as per your liking. Now it's time to make the base. Take a wooden slab or a big tray or a plate and sprinkle flour on it. Take the dough that had been resting and knead it again for some time. Now gradually start shaping it into a ball. Then using your hands, start flattening it out. At intervals, flip it to the other side and sprinkle flour so that it doesn't stick to the pan. When the base is thin enough, start tucking in the edge of the dough. And after it's all done, the pizza base is ready. Poke some holes in it with a fork so that the base does not swell up a lot. Now apply the pizza sauce mix to the base and layer it well. The next process is just as simple as it looks. Add the cheese and add all the toppings on your pizza as you like. Finally add the pizza masala on top and it is all ready to go in the oven. Now when all the assembly part is done, the pizza will go into the preheated oven. Set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake the pizza for 30 minutes. After the timer goes out, let the pizza sit for some time. and then it's all ready to gorge on. If you like the recipe, then please like the video and comment down below. And don't forget to share and subscribe.